So in this video, we are going to learn how to do conversions between moles to grams of a compound. So what is the mass in grams of 0.18 moles of Na2CO3 or sodium carbonate? So our given is the moles. Of the sodium carbonate. And then what we're looking for is the grams. So again, we always start with what we're given. And it's important to keep your units because by using the process of dimensional analysis and following your units, that will help you to determine if you're doing your work correctly. When we do dimensional analysis, as we have mentioned, you always multiply by a conversion factor, which is just a fraction. Now here, we're starting off with units of moles. So to cancel those units that we start off with, we're going to put moles in the denominator. And then we put our grams in the numerator. And in a previous video, we calculated the number of grams in 1 mole of sodium carbonate using the periodic table. And the number that we got when we did that was 105.988. And that was for 1 mole. Because we know that when we use the periodic table to calculate molar masses, it's the number of grams in 1 mole. So when we go ahead and do the math now, the first thing that's going to happen, the moles will cancel. And then we are going to be left with grams, which is exactly what we wanted because we are looking for grams. So we're left with grams of sodium carbonate. Now our given only had 2 digits, 2 significant digits. The 0 is a placeholder. So if we go ahead and do this math, (0.18 times 105.988 is going to give us 19 to 2 significant digits. And that would be how you would go from moles to grams in this problem.